here at the Bournemouth Air Festival to come up with a different themed day, which I'm really looking forward to. But you can see me on the camera now just checking my watch, and that's because, as I know, one of the people's favourite aircraft from the military, from the Royal Air Force, is coming in. I can see it now right at the centre. To tell you all about that, please welcome Master Air Crewman Sooty Sutherland.
Thank you, and good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 2017 Royal Air Force Chinook display here at Bournemouth. I am Master Air Crew Sooty Sutherland, over into a 90-degree turn. The Mark IV variant of the Chinook is an upgrade of the Mark II, with the biggest change being the installation of a glass or digital cockpit. Agile and capable, the speed and manoeuvrability of this machine makes this an excellent battlefield helicopter. The 2017 Chinook display captain is Flight Lieutenant Andy Smith, an 18th Squadron instructor. Andy joined the Royal Air Force in 2006. The Chinook is now turned away to perform a 60-degree offset wingover at crowd centre. Flown by the Royal Air Force, the Chinook is operated in support of all three services and often the platform of choice due to its large cabin, carrying 40 fully armed troops, often with quad bikes, trailers or other all-terrain vehicles. It can quickly be re-rolled as a casualty evacuation aircraft. Two of the three hooks are visible on the underside of previous assaults and resupplies, both to and from the unforgiving maritime environment. Environmental training is key to the development of forces in maritime, desert and Arctic climates across the globe. These skills are frequently utilised in the harsh and challenging conditions on our enduring Falkland Islands commitments. The aircraft is now pulled up for a pedal turn to our right. Watch now as the crew will fly a low-level 360-degree orbit, giving you the chance to really hear the fabulous sound of the Chinook's brake flap and get an outstanding front view of the aircraft. As one of the largest battlefield helicopters in the world, these manoeuvres showcase the Chinook's excellent manoeuvrability, especially in the tactical low-level environment. During the Gorney corkscrew, climbing up to 700 feet before a 315 spiral descent and ground break. As the aircraft climbs, you can see the effect of the downwash spraying the water up on the underside. This manoeuvre was originally created to assist crews in departure from the particularly tricky Gorney HLS in Bosnia. Our team are all fully operational and conducted this display season alongside their regular duties. Over, the crew will fly a flat 270-degree turn to attack crowd centre. The aircraft will then be stopped using the nose-down quick stop in front of you. Royal Air Force Odium is home to over 2,200 personnel of all trades, including air traffic, engineers, armourers and logistics personnel, to name but a few, all dedicated to supporting global and national commitments. Royal Air Force Odium remains ready to